Hi guys, this is my YouTube channel. Please give a like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a keyboard which come from playing keyboard which come from a combo of mouse. So let us unbox it. So guys, here is the keyboard which I have unboxed it. Here it is written premium gaming keyboard and mouse combo. So let us take out the keyboard and see whether we get it a good keyboard under a 1500 price. So let us unbox it. Okay, we are unboxing it. So let's take out from this side. Take out the keyboard. It's coming. Oh, cool. First we have took out the keyboard. So let us see the keyboard first. It comes with a good wrapping. So the keys are very good to use. The buttons are nice, and here it is written the light which we can change the lighting system. I'm going to show it this by using it in the computer. So let us try. First let us take out the mouse too. Inside it is. So let us take out the mouse. So here is the mouse. It's here. Let's take out the mouse. Oh, nice. The mouse is really nice. It is large, huge, and nice to grab. The scroll, it's very soft, and here are some buttons in the side. Okay, it's very nice. So let's try using it in a computer. So here it is guys. I have attached it to my computer with the keyboard and with the mouse. So the mouse, it's very nice to grab. It's large, and the mouse, so it has more space to grab, and it is very sensitive. Very nice to use it. And we have here in the keyboard, we have one type of this button which we can change the color of the lightning. You see? We can turn it off too. Can on the light. So it's very nice product. By giving it 1100, it's better nice to use it. The keys, it's very nice to press. The enter buttons, you're hearing it, the voice guys, it's very nice to use. And the mouse, it is very cool to use it. Some pressing buttons, I have used it, try. So let us see the lightning by offing the light. Here guys, I'm showing it the lightning view, how it is. Here we have the press button of light. So let us press. We keep on changing the color. We can off it too. Change. So this is the mouse, the lightning. Okay guys, so thank you. This is all of my videos of my keyboard which I have bought it from Amazon.in. So please give a like, subscribe, and I'm going to show you more videos. Thank you.